Hi, I'm Brian Malarkey. I'm from Seersucker. Welcome to Seersucker. And my book is Green Eggs and Ham by our own Dr. Seuss, all right? A local favorite and one of my favorite. My mom didn't read a lot of books to me growing up, as she was a single mom raising a couple kids, but she did read this one, and we had a lot of fun with a lot of different Dr. Seuss. And you know what? It inspired me, maybe the very first inspiration I had to be a chef, because who knew you could make green eggs and ham? Sam I am. So to come up with a dish for my book, Green Eggs and Ham, I was thinking, does anybody really want to eat green eggs and ham? Maybe they do, but I don't know. So I took a little play on the words. What we're going to do is we've got some braised pork belly. We've been braising it for about 4 hours. We're going to take the pork belly, cut it into little cubes, do a soft poached quail egg because it is little bites, and then I want to make a nice bright hollandaise, right? So kind of breakfast for dinner sort of thing going on. So we're going to do kind of a brown butter béarnaise. So we're going to take the basis of that being the red wine vinegar, the shallot, the brown butter, and I want to make it green. So I'm going to use a lot of parsley, some tarragon, a little bit of basil, and the oils pull out of that. They make it neon green, top it with a little bit of microgreens to really bring it up, and we're going to do our own butter-baked brioche bread. I'm telling you, one bite of pure love, pure goodness, because Sam, I am. Again, I'm Brian Malarkey from Seersucker. Come see us at Eat, Drink, Read, brought to you by the San Diego Council for Literacy. Keep reading. I got 3 little ones. We read all the time.